Komiti mar somo e od bura mamalo ochwalo penjo mathoth ewi pesa mar somo mar jopuonjre molwar kowuok e siling 22,000 nyaka 16,900. Jatend migao mar omenda John Badi kaachiel gi nyawadgi mar somo Migoso Gamba wacho ni bajet masani ok nyal siro somo mar jopuonjrego kuom siling 22,000 ne japuonjre ka japuonjre, ka giwacho ni jopuonjre kwan gi ni malo. Kata kamano, jood bura okelo penjo mathoth ma ok ne oketi e bajet, ka giwacho ni nitie skunde moko mochwalie omenda to ne gionge bajet. Wawinjano kaka chenrono dhi nyime.
Currently, learners are provided with tuition and operations cost at the rate of Kenya shillings 1,420 for primary education. For junior school, it is 15,042 per child, and per capita for senior secondary school is 22,244. However, due to constrained fiscal space and other emerging priorities within the education sector, updating these rates might be untenable. The government will, however, consider reviewing these rates should revenue performance improve. Again, Madam Chair, we are getting more and more children in our schools, and the revenue performance is not increasing at a faster pace. And so sometimes the rates may look low, but again, we have to operate within the fiscal framework.
This particular figure for the last 4 or 5 years has never been attained in the budgeting of the money that comes to the ministry. And that is because the numbers of students have been going up, but the figure has remained static. Administratively, the ministry has taken steps to ensure timely disbursement of capitation, again, as my colleague said, at the ratio of 50, 30, and 20. First term 50, second term 30, and third term 20%.
Erokamano ahinya kwa Ramogi kuom medo kete.
Issues of fluorosis. And now that their school has been submerged and the nearest one is more than 11 kilometers away, it means they are left without government. I don't know if the CS has ever been able to visit, and Lysamis is also experiencing the same on the other side. I don't know if the CS was able to visit, even to actually feel what we are going through in these schools. We were able to do for Ngimure 5 classrooms. The school was off for 3 years. When I just came in 2003, we constructed 5 classrooms. I don't know. These are so many schools, and as I've said, I don't know. Maybe CS, all that I needed from you is to say that you will do something. There are issues of equity that is being discussed here across. If you would have just told me that you are going to do something for these schools, because even Natole, the local mixed primary school, is already congested. We are even partially housing a mixed day secondary there. I'm constructing their secondary school, but the school is already congested. Now another school of more than 400 learners housed in the same school, comprehensive school, I'm telling you, it is just a problem. So I don't know. We had picked it on 10th of April. I needed you to tell me you are going to do something, and so that we can be able again to go back and tell my people that actually the ministry is doing something.
Thank you. CS, are you able to do something? The member is quite brief.
What I want to suggest is, because this is a very specific and serious issue, could I suggest that the member comes to our offices on Wednesday afternoon if you'd be available, so that we can go through these and other issues together and come up with a way forward on it, because it's quite specific and there are issues that obviously we need to do. I don't know whether that...
I think that's okay. Member, if you can go with your team and meet the CS's team in the office so that you discuss in depth. And if you feel the committee needs to...
Honorable Chair, I don't know if that is going to happen. I've written you several letters, including the PS. You have my letters. I even dropped one last week.
Honorable Member.
Your predecessor, I came to your office. You remember when I was with you? I came to your office and I sat down with you. I told you the same problem. That was before you even came in April to Parliament, around March or February.
Honorable Member, I think he has invited you on Hansard. So we'll want to take that as a serious invite.
So Wednesday afternoon, next week.
And if there's a breach, we'll take it up.
Honorable Chair, let me check on my calendar so that we can reschedule.
I think that's in agreement. If there's a rescheduling, you can do that between the two of you. Honorable Member, I would like to kindly let us, because of the minutes, let's allow the other members to just go through their kindly, my request. So I would like to go to the next. Who was the next
Chair,
online?
we have agreed.
Yes.
Chair, we have agreed because